Did you slime them?
Yeah.
Do you like your web slinger?
Yep.
Isaac. Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Isaac. What's your favorite gift from yesterday? Isaac. What's your favorite gift from yesterday?
From my web shooter.
Your web shooter.
Oh my gosh.
That was from Sissy, huh?
Mhm.
What's your next favorite gift?
My
This is for
I
shooting
would-
water out of it.
my bow and arrow.
Your bow and arrow? Nice.
Stick you, yeah. Hey, yeah. Give this up.